Say good morning, animals.
Good morning, animals.
Good morning, teacher.
What are we doing today?
We're going on a field trip today.
Where?
To the Appalachian Caverns.
Oh, that sounds like a fun trip. Are there snakes there? Are there going to be snakes?
I don't know.
I don't want to go if there's snakes.
Let's call the animals that's getting in line, okay?
All right. Alligator.
Nope.
Bear.
Nope.
Camel.
Nope.
Dolphin. Elephant. Flamingo. I don't want to go. Nightingale's not going this time. Nightingale's scared.
Nightingale has to go.
But the nightingale's scared.
Keep calling the animals.
Flamingo, giraffe, hippo, iguana, jaguar, koala, lion, monkey, nightingale, ostrich, penguin, quail, rhinoceros, seal, tiger, uriel, vulture, walrus, x-ray fish, yak, and zebra.
Can you call me the animals who's going?
I don't know.
8.
8.
Yes.
Is seal the last one?
Yes.
Alright. So these are all the ones that are going?
No, not this Nightingale twin.
Why can't the nightingale twin go?
Just one, okay?
Why?
Just one.
Just one? No nightingale twin?
Nope.
Okay.
Let's get on the bus.
Alright, everybody, get on the bus. Sit in front. Nightingale. Sit up front, Nightingale. Nightingale keeps you up in line, Cadence.
Can you drive the bus?
Alright, we're at the
Appalachian Caverns.
Appalachian Caverns. What if there's snakes in the caves?
I don't know.
What about bats? Tweet, tweet, is there a snack?
I don't know. Do you want some snack?
I want a snack.
Birdsie?
Barb.
Hi, animals. Welcome to the Appalachian. Say, what's your name?
What's your name?
I'm Miss Tammy. Say hello, Miss Tammy.
Hello, Miss Tammy.
Let's introduce her, okay?
Okay.
Dolphin, elephant, iguana, monkey, nightingale.
Tweet, tweet.
Sweet. Nightingale,
Tweet, tweet.
rhinoceros, and seal.
Tweet, tweet. Where's Nightingale twin?
Just one. Nope. It's nice to meet you.
Mm-hmm.
Say, what do we do?
What are we doing?
We're going to do the trip to the cave.
Okay.
Everybody get out your flashlights ready, okay?
How is Nightingale going to hold a flashlight? Nightingale just has wings.
Okay. These are lots of color flashlights, okay?
Uh-huh.
Dolphin, which color flashlight do you want to choose?
Gray.
We don't have gray.
Blue.
We have the red flashlight. Here you go. Red flashlight.
Okay.
Elephant, what color do you want?
Blue.
Orange. Giraffe, what color do you want?
Orange.
You want yellow. Green. Blue. Purple. Black. Pink.
All right. Let's go to the cave. Hurry, we don't have much time.
Say tweet tweet.
Tweet, tweet.
What is it, Nightingale?
I'm scared.
You're fine. What's down there? That's a little tunnel.
We better not go in that tunnel.
We have to go under the little tunnel, okay?
Okay, let's go under the tunnel.
How do we get under there?
We crawl.
We do not crawl. We have to rub hands in the little tunnel, okay?
Okay, all right.
Say, everybody rub hands.
Rub your hands
Say, in the little tunnel.
in the little tunnel.
Say, rub, rub, rub.
Rub, rub, rub.
We made it.